Hello, my lovely guys. Now I'm telling about rivers flowing in India. Northern rivers in India are the Ganga and its tributary, Yamuna, Gargar, Gandak, the Indus and its tributary, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, the Brahmaputra and its tributary, Manos and Tista. The eastern flowing rivers are Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi, etc. The western flowing rivers are Tapi, Luni, Tawa, etc. And the Ganga also meet in the Bay of Bengal. Here also its distributary Bhagirathi and Hooghly. Thank you very much.